Preparing your room for departure. How to clean your kitchen. A few weeks before the end date of your contract, Elio Accommodation will email you with information on how to prepare for your departure. It is important that you clean your room or apartment properly in order to get a full refund of the deposit. Elio Accommodation will inspect your room or apartment after you have moved out. We will check the cleaning and the condition of the room or apartment. Follow our cleaning checklist. This will help you to not miss anything when cleaning the room. The inspectors of Elio Accommodation follow this list when conducting the room inspection. You can find a link to the cleaning checklist in the video description below. 1. Fridge. Wipe all surfaces thoroughly. If needed, remove the shelves and wash them. Do not forget to clean the drain hole. Do not leave any food in the fridge and remember to leave the fridge on. 2. Stove and oven. Clean the stove thoroughly. If there are burn marks, you might need a special detergent for stoves. Remove the stove carefully. Vacuum or swipe behind the stove. Wipe the stove. If needed, remove the racks and wash them. Wipe the oven. Make sure to use an appropriate oven detergent. Replace the oven racks. Make sure to place the oven rack properly against the wall. 3. Surfaces, cupboards, drawers and utensils. Wipe all surfaces thoroughly. Make sure that the utensils are clean and wipe the drawers.